Welcome! In this video, I will explain the basics of water cooling system maintenance, which is an essential part of laser source maintenance. In this process, you should follow these guidelines. Number 1. The choice of cooling water. Only distilled water or deionized water can be used as cooling water, as they produce little scale deposit during the heat cycling process. It is strictly forbidden to use bottled purified water or tap water as cooling water. Number 2. Replacement cycle of the cooling water. It is recommended to replace the cooling water every 3 months. Since the water tank of the water cooling machine isn't sealed, the cooling water can be contaminated by dust, metal chips, and bacteria, resulting in scale deposit, which may stick to the inner wall of the waterway and block the waterway. Number 3. Procedure of cooling water replacement. Step 1. Turn off the laser source and the water cooling machine. Step 2. Drain the water cooling machine and the laser source, then clean and drain the water tank. Step 3. Clean the filter screen and the filter element of the water cooling machine as well as the filter screen in the water inlet of the laser source. Step 4. Put the filter screen and the filter element back in place. Step 5. Pour distilled water into the water cooling machine up to the standard liquid level. Now turn on the water cooling machine, let the water circulate, then check the liquid level meter on the machine. If the liquid level drops, add more distilled water to reach the standard liquid level. To prevent the growth of bacteria and algae, add 10% of industrial alcohol into the cooling water. For further inquiries, feel free to consult our after-sales service engineers. Thank you.